I've just been given these new bits from Kriega. So I've never seen them before. So let's take a little look together. We're gonna get inside, see what's going on. Like I say, we're gonna do this together, and I don't really know what's coming, so it'll be quite fun. So we've got 2 bags here, labelled on each one. We've got so we've got R16 and R22. So going off of what Kriega normally names their backpacks. So the backpacks and 22 should be 22 litres and 16 will be 16 litres. So we're going to fill the gaps. Let's take a look at the 16 first. We'll get rid of that one for a second. Well, it looks very Kriega. Got the quad lock light harness there. I like this. I like this big K. Nice big embroidered K there. Sort of silvery stitching. Nice big. Oh, we've got a roll top. There we go. Oh, the handle is built into the roll top there. And we've got, I don't know if you can see inside there. So we've also got. So we've got a roll top, which means it's going to be waterproof. It's going to be, certified, guaranteed waterproof with the roll top. We've got a nice white inside liner, which makes it really easy. If you've got anything in there, you can find it because it's white, it's bright. You can see stuff reflecting off it, so that's nice and easy. But we've also got like an internal zip pouch. It's nice, so you can fit some bits in there. Anything that's like super small and loose, I suppose, doesn't get lost in the corners. We can zip it away in there. That's a pretty cool feature. And this will, like with all the Kriega stuff, you can remove this with the Velcro, take it out, wash it, that sort of thing. That's pretty standard Kriega. That's quite nice. I like the inside of that. And clip on there. Classic Kriega roll top there. So I guess with the R15, that was a nice small bag, very popular. You wouldn't go away for the weekend in it really, but you could, definitely day-to-day carry. The only thing was it didn't have a roll top, so it wasn't guaranteed waterproof, if you like. And if that's, if you've got a laptop in there or maybe some camera equipment or whatever, and you want to make sure that it is going to have no chance of getting wet, then maybe the R16 might be the one to go for in that regard. We've got our dry pack attachment points as well. So if you wanted to expand the storage of this one, we can put, US 5, US 10, if you're brave, US 20 on top of that. So that's quite good. Got a nice black rubberized bottom on here. And I'm going to assume we've got a Kajora construction throughout. It's going to be nice and tough. Again, have that 10-year guarantee that all the Kriega products come with. Just a nice, well-made bag. Nothing too fussy. Just a real nice design. I like that. And we've got, like I said, the quad lock light harness. So it's a little bit smaller. There's like these rubberized strap. It's nice, that, isn't it? Yeah. I have a feeling. You see that? That's reflective material as well. So when you're wearing that, you're going to have these 2 bits here reflective. They're nice. They feel really lovely actually. So yeah, quad lock light. So you can adjust that by pulling these straps in. You've got the dots, which are your reference marks for how you like to get it set up. You can cinch it nice and easy at the side, and you've got a little waist strap here as well to help them sort of spread the load a little bit. Just a lovely little bag from Kriega. I'm not sure on prices, so they'll appear on the screen here. Let's take a look at the next bag that we've got. Cool, so the R22, which I have a feeling, once I get rid of the rustly bag, that we're going to have the same sort of thing to the R16 we just saw. So it's going to be like the waterproof version of the R20. I noticed the little orange DP label here. That's quite a nice little touch there. That just stands for dry pack. So you know that it's going to be a roll top version and it's going to have a guaranteed waterproof section. So we have got our loops here for fitting an additional dry pack expansion, like with the R16 we just saw. This here, which is going to be for expansion. So you can open it out, fill your bag with stuff, and then you can cinch it down with these. What's quite nice is they're on a little pull toggle, and they've got little spiky teeth in there to hold it down nice and firmly. Again, same inside as before. So we've got a nice big roll top. I don't think we've got so there's no separate compartment like we had in the R16, so it's just a ginormous waterproof sack, which I've pulled out and now I'm going to struggle to get back in. Again, white, removable, easy to see stuff, easy to take out and clean. Up here, which I guess is going to give us a little bit more storage. Oh, that's quite nice indeed. That goes all the way down. That's going to be fantastic. And we've got a little hook inside the pocket there as well. So if you've got, I don't know, you want to put things like keys or whatever, something easy access you don't want to lose in the pocket, you can clip it onto that. We've got the printed Kriega logo there on the front. Actually, I preferred the embroidered one of the R16 actually. That's nice, it's probably reflective as well. But I really like that embroidery that we had on the other bag there. Again, we've got that quad lock light harness. We've got those nice and bumpy reflecty things that we had before. Again, same method of cinching up and keeping it nice on the body. So you've got the straps at the side. You've got the additional waist strap if you need it. And also something I didn't mention on the other bag is you've got the 3D mesh paneling. So that just gives that little air gap, allows air to flow through your, sort of between your back, so you're not going to get all sweaty and gross. I like that. So, I mean, side by side, they're pretty sort of similar. You can tell that the R22, you've got that extra little bit of space, and like I say, it's expandable, you know, to a degree, and you can cinch everything down nice and tightly. You don't have the same cinching on the R16 here, but again, it's a sort of a smaller, lighter, less complicated bag. Both quite nice examples. They're just lovely Kriega products as always. I'll tell you what, have you got a laptop? Can we see if a laptop will fit in these? You just go and,
yeah.
I'm gonna make Lewis go and grab a laptop. 2 seconds. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. So, oh, look at that, with ease. That swallows a laptop with ease. And plenty of space for your lunch. I don't know, whatever, you can get 2 laptops or more. What size is this? What size laptop is this?
15 inch.
So 15 inch, you probably could get a little bit bigger laptop in there if you use something a little bit bigger. So 15 inch MacBook Pro goes in there, no problem at all. Probably going to be the same in here as well. So yeah, that goes in the R16 nicely. Not as much space on either side of that one, so you might not get much bigger in terms of a laptop, but you can still get other bits and pieces in there as well. There's a reasonable amount of space for lunch, notepads, whatever other stuff you want to take with you. But if you've got a little bit sort of bigger laptop, bit more gear, maybe the R22 is what you'd be after. I thought I'd just read the little brochure that's on the tag here. And it also comes with a guide on how to fit it as well, which is quite cool. We should probably do a video on that. And YKK zips all round, standard Kriega stuff. So you're gonna get a very well made bag, top quality materials. They look lovely, they look cool. Cinch my straps up nicely, look at that. Loads of space. That's why the quad lock is good. You can wear something bulky. The straps are like at the sides and come outwards, so you've got loads of space here. There's nothing coming in under here anywhere close. So just sort of riding a motorcycle, especially if you're in sort of a sports bike or something, it's just a really comfy wear. I think I might get one of these. So it just fits really nicely. Again, Kriega, so you're gonna get your 10-year warranty, and they're gonna build them for life. You know, they build these bags very, very tough, and they look fantastic. So I guess let's just take a closer look. So the Kriega R22 and the R16 then, brand new Kriega bags available now at Infinity Motorcycles. Have fun, ride safe, and see you in the next one.